Hey everyone, welcome to our math game called Target Practice. Our target today is 8. 8 is going to be our total. What's the whole for today? 8. You got it. You're going to need your whiteboards with the number bond side and your marker. So you can write 8 in your total because that's going to be our target today. To play our game, I'm going to roll the dice. The dice is going to show us one part. What is the dice going to show us? You got it. Once we have our one part, we're going to count on to find the part that's missing. Ready to play? Okay, let's roll the dice to see what the first part is. What's the first part? You got it. It's 1. Put the first part in your number bond. Your number bond should look like this. Let's count on to find the missing part. We're going to put a part in our heart and stop at the total. Ready? 1 in my heart and stop at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at your fingers. What's the missing part? Did you say 7? Brain match. I agree with you. Your missing part was 7. Your number bond should look like mine. Great job, friends. Let's continue counting on to find those missing parts. Let's play again. Only erase the parts. Remember, we're playing with what total today? You got it. 8 is our whole. Okay, I'm going to roll the dice. Let's see what our part is. Boom. What's our first part? Did you say 4? I agree. Write your first part in your number bond. Let's count on to find the missing part. We're going to put 4 in our heart and stop at the total. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at your fingers. What's the missing part? If you said 4, I agree. Can you put that in your number bond? Let me see your number bonds in 3, 2, 1. Sweet! Our number bonds match. Great job. Erase your parts, but keep the whole. Ready to play again? Let's find out what our first part's going to be. What's the first part? I heard someone say 5. Put 5 as your first part. What strategy are we using to find the missing part? We're going to... You got it. Count on. Put 5 in your heart and stop at 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the missing part, my friends? Ooh, did you say 3? Kiss your brain. Put 3 in your number bond. Let me see your work when I say go. Ready? Grow. Couldn't trick anybody. All right, fine. Ready? Go. Excellent job filling out your number bond. All right, friends, erase those parts, but keep the total. Let's roll the dice to see what our first part is going to be. What is it? Did you say 2? I agree. Put 2 in your number bond. All right, you know the deal. We're going to count on to find the missing part. Put 2 in my heart and stop at 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at your fingers. What is the missing part? I heard someone say 5. 6 is the missing part. Put it in your number bond. All right, let's check our work. Excellent job filling out your number bond with the 2 parts and keeping our target of 8. Okay, my loves, erase those boards. Let's play again. Let's see what the first part is gonna be. What's the first part? I heard you say it. It is 6. Put 6 in your number bond. All right, let's find the missing part by counting on. You got it. We're going to put a part in our heart and stop at the total. Ready? 6, 7, 8. What's the missing part? Oh yeah, you got it. It's 2. Put 2 in your number bond. Let me see your work when I say go. Ready? Go. Yes, kiss your brains, friends. Nice job finding the missing part by putting a part in your heart and stopping at the total. Great work. Erase your parts. Let's do it again. Ready? What's the first part? You got it. It's 1. Put 1 in your number bond. Let's find the missing part by putting a part in our heart and stopping at the total. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the missing part? Yes, it's 5, 6, 7. Great work. Put 7 in your number bond. Getting really good at this, my friends. Let me see your boards. Excellent job showing your 2 parts that make the total. Erase your parts. Let's play one more round. Okay, what is the first part going to be? What is it? Did you say this many? You got it. Put 3 in your number bond. What strategy are we going to use to find the missing part? Oh, I heard someone say it. We're going to count on. Awesome. We're going to put a part in our heart and stop at the total. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our total. Look at your fingers. What's the missing part? You got it. Air high fives. Psh, awesome. Put 5 in your number bond. Does your number bond look like mine? You're amazing. Kiss your brain for working so very hard in our game of target practice. Friends, when we have a missing part, how do we count on to find the missing part? I heard some really great ideas. Friends, when we have a missing part, you can count on by putting a part in your heart and stopping at the total. How can you count on when there's a missing part? You got it. Put a part in your heart and stop at the total when there's a part missing. Excellent work today. I'm so proud of you.